Making private label rights work for you. Private label rights gives a person the right to do virtually whatever they want to a product and then sell it as their very own. In the internet world nowadays, this is a very sought-after license to receive with any type of product that they purchase and hope to make profits with. There are many different ways that you can use private label rights to make profits. Here are a few examples of how you can use private label rights to your advantage. You could purchase an already created product that offers private label rights with your purchase of the product. This means that you will have an already ready-to-go product that you now have access to customize as you wish. This means that you can take out any content or material that you don't want, as well as editing and adding content that you want to add to the product. You can also place your name on the product as the creator of the product. This is why it is very important that you choose products of high quality. Check around and research to find out what products are available with private label rights that have good and positive feedback. Many people have found that purchasing a product with private label rights is a great way to gain a product and profits with little to no work at all on their part. Many marketers also purchase private label rights products to decrease work time on their part and quickly find themselves making profits at a faster rate than if they were to create the product themselves. One of the most profitable ways to make private label rights work for you is to simply create a product yourself and sell the product with private label rights. There are many different types of products that you can create and sell private label rights with, such as ebooks, reports, video courses, and software. Simply find a topic that you're interested in and have a good bit of knowledge in and start creating your product. You can also search around and find out what types of products others are offering with private label rights, as well as what they are charging for the product. Because private label rights are a very high-in-demand product, you can find yourself making thousands of dollars each month and a steady lucrative income as long as you keep creating products that offer private label rights. After you've created a few private label rights products and have found success, you can also advance into creating private label rights packages with several different components within the package. You can add components such as articles, newsletters, reviews, or autoresponder emails. If you are fluent with HTML, you can also offer to create a complete sales system for your private label rights product. This is a great addition because now your purchaser simply uploads the sales system, which consists of a sales page for the product, a customer caption page, and a thank you page, and they are ready to start making profits. The purchaser then simply watches the profits roll in with little to no work at all on their part. This is a great sales strategy also that should be displayed in your sales letter for your private label rights product. With the use of private label rights virtually endless, you can definitely see how your profits can make a dramatic increase and major profits for you in the end. Creating your very own product and selling private label rights with the product, or simply purchasing a product with private label rights and selling it as your own, are both really great ways to make a steady monthly income for you, and the best part is you can do it all from the comforts of your own home. Find out for yourself just how profitable private label rights products can be for you, and start today for financial freedom tomorrow with the help from buying and selling private label rights products.